Kinda, it's on the minus digits. It's 22 degrees. Rise and shine, sleepyheads, get your butts up out of bed. It's morning once again, let's get going. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Will from Yugen Bliss, the road to happiness, and I'm standing in the middle of a nor'easter, baby. Woo! This is awesome. I love this stuff, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful day. What a beautiful day. It's a great day to spend all day indoors. So anyway, guys, sending love and light from the top of the mountain here in Maine. Sending love and light. I'm a lighthouse, steady and strong, for the world to see my light shine bright. And here we are. I want to see yours. Isn't this beautiful, guys? It's coming down. All right, guys. Take care. I love you. And let's show mercy today, baby. Let's show mercy and more love. All right, guys. Take care.